Hi guys, it is Nikki and Watson, and it has been so long since we have filmed a Stitch Fix unboxing and try-on video. And I like to do the Stitch Fix unboxing and try-ons both because it's kind of fun to do it, but also because I like to see when other people do it. So hopefully when I do it, it helps people. And if it doesn't help you, you don't have to watch either. So thank you though. Thank you for those of you who are watching. And again, if you used to watch me previously, I just love to hear how you guys are doing. So leave a comment or say something. What the frick? Okay, so anyway, it is Stitch Fix Day. So I am just going to jump in and open this box. I had asked for some fall transitional items and a little bit warmer transitional items because at the time that I ordered this fix, it was like 50 degrees here. But of course today, I think it is like, I don't know, it's hot out there. It's definitely hot. It's like in the 80s. Okay, that sounds right. It's 80s or so with like a very high dew point. And I know there are people all over this country that have been dealing with heat for a long time. So my sympathies to you because I don't like dealing with heat either, but here I get to deal with all sorts of things. So you can kind of see, okay, there's some really kind of cozy fall colors, gray, blush, olive. I guess I don't have to tell you the colors. Although at the bottom, this is a strange color. I don't really know what that is, purpley. So anyway, I'll jump right in here. Let's see. So, how's everyone been? I already asked that question. I hope not. But I really do want to know. So, oh, cozy. Okay, so I did peek online, so this is not new. I'm going to hold pause for just one. Okay, so I did look online, so I did see this. This is I think it's made by Leo and Nicole. It is Zaryn Cotton Blend Poncho Pullover in gray. Size extra small. So I have seen this one and I've actually seen it on a few other people. So it is sort of big and loose and I do like the color though. It's got a little bit of like a pink in that gray. I don't know. Anyway, and this big cowl neck, but it feels really cozy. So I'm just not sure if it'll be too big or loose or what do you call it? Too not flattering on my frame. But it's cozy. I'm really excited for that one. Okay, this next one, okay, I remember looking at this. It's just a knit top, but it's one of those so soft knit tops. And I like the colors. I think it's really pretty. I actually just got a vest at Marshall's. I'll show it to you. I think it might look nice with this. Okay, so that's that. Actually, I suppose I should say who it is and what it is. Pink Clover Ameya brush knit top. Okay, that's this guy. There you go. All right. Next, I remember I did ask for something in olive because I realized I don't have much in olive for like fall type situations and temperatures. Watson, I wish you would participate more. It's boring when it's just me. Okay, this is made by Fortune and Ivy, and it's the Alannis Dolmann sleeve knit top in olive. So, I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Sometimes I like Dolmann's and sometimes I don't. So, it's good advice, good fashion advice. Okay, so this one is by Chaser. I remember seeing this. And this one's called the Sarley textured. Why am I saying it like that? The Sarley textured hoodie knit top in white, which I will say, okay, is a little bit more of a cream color or oatmeal color. I don't even know if you can see that. Makes any sort of sense to you right now. Okay, so this is really thin and it has these pockets and these ties and the hood. So yeah, I'm not sure about this, but it could be a really good top for either under things or over things. Okay, it could be really cute for both. So I will try this on. It is nice casual. I have been asking also for more casual things because I have realized that although I believe that I will go out and wear many of these gorgeous and fun clothing items, that I don't actually do it. And as disappointing as that probably is to most of you to hear, why would it be disappointing for you to hear? But if it was disappointing for you to hear, I don't get a chance to really wear a lot of things. So what do we have here? Okay, I did see these. Yeah, these are some yoga pants by Beyond Yoga, and they are called Gabriela Midi Performance Legging in brown. Okay, I did say brown. So, I don't know. This is what they look like. I'm not sure. Maybe I need brown leggings. We'll see. Not quite sure about these ones, but I will try them on. And so those are the 5 items. Okay, so this is funny. Okay. This is the Leo and Nicole turtleneck hooded. No, not hooded. Poncho sweater. And as you can see, it definitely has a loose fit on me. It's a poncho type sweater. Watson, what do you think of? Thank you for being part of this, Watson. If you could just lay down for a minute. Okay. While he does this, all I'm saying is this is a cozy sweater, but I'd like feedback on how loose and flowy it is and if it looks decent or if it looks too loose and flowy, because that's one thing I just feel like it could be a little overwhelming on my body. And also you obviously have to wear something under it because it cuts big on the sides. And just like every other top, Dolmannish top, we have the lovely back wings. But I realize that I don't frequently walk around like this, so it works okay. All right, so on to the next. Okay, this is that striped top, which I think it's a pink clover, I'm not sure. But it's cute. It's striped. Again, it's not really... Okay, this will be interesting. He does not like when I step over his body. Okay, so here are the colors. It's white and blush and gray, and it's a longer shirt. Excuse more. So it goes like that. And I'm sorry I left the boots on because I thought that they were something that I'd more realistically wear with that prior sweater. Cute. I actually think I like it tucked in a little bit so that you get not so much of the shirt takes up my body. So I'm like 5'3"3/4", although recently she said 5'3" period, and I don't believe her. I can't just lose that much in that short of a time. Okay, anyway, this is a shirt. That's what it looks like in the back. It's not very thick. It's just a nice soft brush knit. I think it's cute. I like the colors. Oh, I was going to show you that vest really quick. One sec. Sorry. Oh, my closet is so dirty. I am so sorry. Also, my hair is a mess, but I know I don't usually try not to apologize for that, but it's really... It's like rainy and hot outside, and so there's no way to keep your hair in control. Okay, anyway, I got, and I think it looks really cute with this. So, and I probably would normally wear it open. But yeah, cute shirt, maybe. Okay, so this is the Fortune and Ivy green Dolmann top, actually labeled olive, I believe. It is pretty typical Dolmann. It's very thin, so it's not very warm. It's like a really thin knit material. A little bit of a high-low, so in the front, just tiny. I do like the cut of it. There's no like band at the bottom, so that's kind of nice. And it has a little bit more of a boat neck, it looks like. And that's how the back looks. I like it. I just don't know if it's like... Whoa, look at that shirt. You know, I am starting to be, I've already said this, but I'm pickier about what I keep because I realize there's so many things I don't wear. So I do like this shirt. It's something I might use, and often when I return something, this video is going to be an hour and a half long. Anyway, what do you guys think of this? Is it something that's worth keeping, or I don't even know. I've got to try the rest of the song because I'm not sure if I would even be keeping everything. Okay. On to the next. Okay, this is the top by Chaser. It is a very thin waffle knit shirt. Excuse me, Watson. This is how it looks. Again, it's like that waffle knit. Has the ties. I probably should have put a shirt on underneath it because I do wear shirts on underneath everyone. So it does have a pocket, which is really nice. It's just not warm. So again, for me, it probably is a nice underlayer. So maybe if I put like a sweater or sweatshirt over it, and also it'll probably work with a vest. It is really casual. It's one of those things though, do I want to pay money for this casual shirt? I should, because I will actually wear it. But I don't really want to because I don't think it's that fantastic. I would like your opinion on this one too. It is comfortable and cozy and something that I would likely wear. And so there's that. So these are the leggings, which I don't actually know who they're by, but I will have that information listed here or here, depending how it works, as well as the price of the item. So these are the leggings. They are brown. They're so soft and they're really, really comfortable, I have to say. So I'll tell you the brand when I can. The reason I'm pulling down my shirt, I'm not going to tell you anyway. I just want to see. I don't know if you can see the color. It's a really strange color. Anyway, this is what they look like. In the back, it's okay. I usually would wear a longer shirt, but there's just an issue going on here that I don't love. It starts with a C and ends with a toe. Okay, so I don't love these, but they're so soft, and I don't know, maybe if I sized up, I'm thinking possibly that would be better, that issue, but I'm not certain because I guess I could try. So there you go. These are the leggings. I'll be back to do wrap up. Okay, hi everyone. I am back to do the wrap up. So thank you for watching the try on again if you've made it this far. So I am going to go ahead and, well, I will not read my stylist note yet, but again, I'm going to start going through these prices. So we're going to start with the Leo and Nicole top again. This big guy. This one is $68. So that's expensive, but I feel like this sweater may be worth that price or very close to it because it's very heavy, very cozy, and it just kind of has that casual, loose feel. I think it would look good again with leggings and boots, and even looked decent with the jeans and boots. So the next thing I've got on here is the Fortune and Ivy. This is the Dolmann top in olive, and that one is, gosh, I should just know this at a time. Okay, $38. So again, this is just a basic Dolmann top, but I do like the color. The next top I have here is by Pink Clover, and it is this really soft brush knit top, and this one is $38, which again isn't so bad. I mean, it is so soft, I know, and I can't remember. I know it won't keep its softness like this level of softness, but I think it's still a pretty cute top. So that one, again, feedback, but I do like that one. So then I've got this Chaser top that is Chaser, the Sarley textured hoodie knit top. It says white, extra small, $58. Okay, I realize that Chaser brand is a little bit more expensive, and so I understand that to some extent, but I just want you to realize how thin this is. Like, that's my actual skin that you can see. I don't know. So this top is okay, and it's something that is cute, and it's something I would consider possibly. I don't know. Give me your feedback, but that is expensive for this shirt. It just is. And then the last thing on here, okay, these, I think I had said, these are Beyond Yoga, the Gabriela Midi Performance Legging in brown, extra small, $98. Okay, so like I said, they're very, very soft. They're very comfortable. They're probably worth that with the 25% discount. That's something I would consider paying. But they're not fitting correctly, so I am not certain if I would want to even exchange these. We probably want to keep the Leo and Nicole top, which is $68, and maybe this Chaser top. And so it's just, I guess I would do that and save money. So that's what I'm considering right now, but I would love your feedback. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that Watson did not do a lot of participating this time. Like I said, I think he's forgotten how to do these, so hopefully he'll participate more next time. But so I'll continue to try doing these going forward if anyone wants to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.